8:30 right now, and we are 25 kilometers away from Surat. We are going on a short ride to Bardoli to have a cup of chai. I'm sorry guys if the voice is not clear because I'm not using a mic right now. It is just the camera. So I'll keep my camera inside because I will be riding, and I'll keep you guys updated whenever we take a stop. So we have reached our destination, and right now we are outside the Chamunda restaurant. This place is famous for its tea, and we will have our tea now. A cup of tea, and now we are just going inside the main city to have a ride of it, and then we'll just return back home. We just stopped by to have a look at the sugar factory, and it looks very beautiful right now. What you see behind me is the Awadh Lake City. It's 8:30 right now, and the light is not that harsh, so it looks really very beautiful right now. We'll just sit and enjoy the view. We'll just ride back home, and then let's see, in case in middle of the road if we get to eat something, then we'll just eat something, or else we'll just ride back home. It would take us around 45 to 50 minutes to reach home. So yeah, I'll just see you guys in a while whenever I reach home, and I'll keep you guys updated. So stop by to have some food. Bardoli is also famous for this kachori. It is known as Lilwa Kachori. I don't know what exactly ingredients they use, but then it is quite famous, and it's a winter snack. So done with food, and now we're all set to ride back home. Hi guys, so I just reached home, and it was a lovely 100 kilometers ride. We rode around 95 to 96 kilometers, and it was quite unplanned. I had no plans to shoot and vlog. We were just going to ride and come back home, but then when we stopped in the middle and we saw the beautiful view, I thought that why not shoot and show you guys, because I haven't uploaded any video on YouTube from last 2 or 3 weeks. The upcoming plans for the day is that tonight it is going to be fun because we guys are going to shoot a little for Diwali. I'll show you guys that how and what we are exactly going to do. Now we are shooting for Diwali. It was a good day. We started off with an early morning ride and then ended up with a shoot. So yeah, it's time to end this vlog over here. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.